I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, for a couple of seconds. And the boot mode pops up. So here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose the first option, recovery, and press volume down to confirm it. Wait until your phone will be ready to shows you the no command picture, and that's it. Now you need to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. So this is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping the cache files. The phone is erasing all personal temporary cache files. Your other personal data won't be affected, and right now you can just press power key to reboot system now, and the device is restarting and booting into the normal mode. That's it, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.